Hello, I'm Alejandro Rico Guevara. I'm a Miller Fellow at UC Berkeley. I study behavioral energetics, which can also be understood as nature's economics. And one of the most interesting subjects to study these are hummingbirds, because they're energy thirsty. To fuel their fast-paced lifestyles, they need to visit thousands of flowers every day. And to study how they collect energy is really challenging because they do it so quick, because the process is concealed inside the nectar chamber, which is carefully protected by the plant. So to overcome these challenges, I develop transparent flowers that I give hummingbirds the same shape and energy content that they find in wild ones, and then I train them to visit them in the wild. Now, with this information, we develop energy intake models that are based on detailed morphological information that you can see in this computer tomography. Another challenge is to study how much energy they spend in the hovering flight. This special way of moving is the most expensive form of locomotion in nature. The way we study this is by luring them with nectar to put their heads inside a mask in which we can measure the oxygen consumption based on how hard they are exercising. And no one knows how they can breathe and swallow at the same time up to 20 times a second. To decipher these, we train the birds with interactive systems to wait. And for them, this is pretty hard. It seems that in hummingbird time, even a few milliseconds is an eternity. Finally, with all this information, we can piece together their energy intake from the flower and the energy expenditure in their flight. And this energy balance affects their decisions on which flowers and how many flowers to visit, also if they're willing to fight for them or not. Ultimately, we want to understand how these decisions made by nectar-feeding animals affect animal-pollinated plants and how we can understand evolution based on energy use in nature. If you want to learn more about my research, please visit miller.berkeley.edu. Thank you.